Given x minus 3 raised to the power 2 minus x plus 1 raised to the power 2 equals 0, the expression says find x. Let x minus 3 equals a and x plus 1 equals b, such that the expression becomes a squared minus b squared equals 0. Now, from difference of two squares, we can rewrite this expression to become a plus b, a minus b equals 0. Making any of this expression the subject of the equation, we have a plus b equals 0 over a minus b. So a plus b equals 0. Now from here, a equals minus b if we take b to the other side. Now let us insert our assumption back into the expression. Therefore, it will now become x minus 3 all in brackets equals minus b, which is x plus 1. So from here, let us solve. Therefore, x minus 3 equals minus x minus 1. So let us take it to the other side. So by the time we collect the like terms, that will be x plus x equals 3 minus 1. So that is 2x equals 2, and therefore x equals 2 over 2, which is 1. So if we try to substitute 1 into this expression, let us see whether it will be true. When x is 1, this is minus 2, and that is 4. Minus when x is 1, that is 1 plus 1, which is 2, and this, so the expression is true. Let us try the other side, which is if it is a minus b equals 0 all over a plus b, and a minus b equals 0. So let us insert the expression, and that gives us x minus 3 minus x plus 1 equals 0. So if we take it to the other side, that's x plus 3 equals x plus 1, sorry, x minus 3. So let us collect the like term, that is x minus x equals 3 plus 1. So for this expression, it is not true, but for this expression, it is true. So we are going to use x plus b equals 0. So thank you very much. See you next time.